we first to copy. So the last time we are making a blogspot template, okay, and I just could not make it. And as you can see that later on in a it's different video, okay, I tried to make one and I succeed. It's not really great, but it was okay. But this time I used Google's Pro model 3.0 and I started from scratch. As you can so you can see here, I said that to create a blogger template, okay, and then bunch of things that I want, okay. I design that. Then again I got the same error like XML press error like that. I just tell to fix it and fix it. Then I got widget blog one. Again it fixed. After then it started working. Then I said to this one and it's working well. So in a fast mode when I used I got error again and again, again and again. But in a pro mode I only got the error for 3 times. After then I could able to make the template that is workable. Let's consider it's working. It's the first page, share buttons. There's a no comment, but newer post. If you click, you can get a newer post. As you can see here, okay. There are a lot of things that's not there, like a buttons and all things. We can just easily match that with the CSS. So that's not a problem. That's a design we have. So we got that. Now question is that what we want to add more. My topic was to make a news magazine website, and we did it. It's just responsive, so we don't need to worry about that responsiveness. As I can show you that if you go here, let's go with this. As you can see, it's a responsive design, so that we don't need to worry about it. It looks good, as you can see here. Okay, home page, if you go, it's like that. So I would not say that's the best because it is not. There are a lot of things that we can do, and that's what we're gonna do. But what I need to add, I don't know. So what I will do, I will just say, I want you to add functions that is needed on news magazine website. Figure out yourself and add those functions and whatever it is, whatever it is, do it. So I told him to do everything. I've given the control. Now let's see what it gonna do. The name of the template is a modern Mac 2025, and I'm using Gemini's Pro model. Thinking, as you can see here, is a 3.0. Okay, if you use the fast answer quickly, you know, in a last video you can watch in that video. I have about the video link. In that you see there are a lot of error. No matter how much I tried, I got error again and again, again and again. But in this, after 3 times error, till now I did not face any problem. Okay, so as you can see, what they add dark mode toggle, breaking news trigger, related post, reading time estimator, you know breadcrumb navigation, progress bar. There's a like a rated post or popular post, the way they write sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, if you face this kind of problem, then delete the widget and go to layout and add the widget. In that way everything's work well. Okay, so that is here. And I'm not sure that what the things I need to add. If you're not sure about it, you just search for blogger templates. There's a website I made it for that, where templates.blogspot.com. So I used to bunch of websites are out there, they're making a template. So I used to just download their template, edit it and post it in my website. The template you see right now here, I also created using Gemini Pro, and it was quite great. This template is some I don't know who is the developer, but you can just templify. So the template, what I'm trying to tell you here, that you can just have the template. Okay, as you can see, these are the features. You can just take the picture and add it. Let's say that I want this feature also included, and it would work. I hope it would work. All the features you see here, it's all done by using JavaScript. Okay, so I'm not sure how much friendly they are, but if you really want to have all this functionality, we're gonna test out that is really we can do with Gemini Pro or not, and that is all about it. So it's gonna be a part one, part two, part three, and that's what I'm gonna develop in real template. I'm gonna add this kind of features. Okay, so as you can see here, it did its work. It's really big code. It's really big code. Normally, it's take around 4 to 500 lines of code. And the first time I'm seeing this big code. Okay, let's see what kind of problem we're gonna face in this time. So as you can see, the same error. It because of I did not tell to fix this one. Okay, if I tell that to fix this issue, then that all the code gonna be like coded. But I didn't do that because I thought it not gonna make any big issue. But I believe I was wrong. Okay, so the problem lies in a 654. 654 it's here. So bull is not declared. As I told you this one, I think that I need to tell that to fix this kind of issue. Uh, should I do that? Once I say that, it will never make the same mistake again. That's what I think. Okay, so I'm gonna say that similar like this causing. We can just directly remove that, but I want to fix that. Okay, so when I see it here causing, okay, line 64 indictable was referred but not declared. Similar like many other many others are there. Others are there. I hope this problem this won't happen again. Happen again. And I hope that it fix all the issue. But what I think is that it just only fix this one. I just hope that it doesn't. I just hope that it won't do that. Okay, we can just wait for right now. So fixing XML phrasing errors. It's all fixed. Last time I made the template. Let me show you. Let me this one. Not this one. This website is mine. Okay. I made this website of name of my channel. As you can see, this one. If you go to inspect element, copyright. Here you can see this copy. Okay. But if you see that view page source, okay, just remove from here. I will show you what I'm trying to say here. If you go to bottom and if you go to copyright, so where is it here? You see, this is the code, and I'm gonna tell that it just decode all of them to like this one. I hope that they are doing this way. So you find all three of them are not valid XML unless they are declared. I have replaced all of them with the numeric characters, okay, for the bullet point to ensure them was saved without error. So this one work. As you can see here, this one the code, okay, and that should work. So in a pro model, it's much better compared to fast, and they do quite well. And with that, I have created the templates. So let's see how much time it will take us to have it. I will tell you that it will require a couple of minutes. If you really want to develop adding all the functionality like similar like this websites, I would say that it will take some time. But the best part is that you might not like this functionality, but you like this one only. You can just say like that, taking an image, and I'm gonna see that if they can do or not. If they can do, it's gonna really easy for us to develop a blogspot template, and that's what I'm hoping that they can do it. So this kind of things also I will try. See if we will succeed or not. That's all the things we want to do. So let's copy. Now let's see if we're having any problem or not. Now save it. So 698. Okay, 698. Okay, so this column we are having. So the BS from, you know, we need to find, B if condition is started here and ended here. Okay. Okay. B else, if there's any B else or there not, without knowing it, share button. Okay. Levels, BF condition. Okay, so B else includable. As you can see that I'm not saying any B else. Okay. Okay, so let's see. This one will save the work. Okay, note that. Okay, we just remove this one. Let's see. Again, we are having the column, means that it is needed. So, what is that? B if. Okay, so we needed B if. I just hope that is right. If not, then some column will occur. 799. Okay, what is that? 799. 799. It's here like max result 5. The problem is that max result must end with this. So, okay, and that is the issue. How we gonna fix that? We're gonna copy that. Okay, we're gonna paste it here, and we provide that space, and then we're gonna write this one. In that way we learn that what is the main issue. I just hope it won't write all the code because we don't need it, but I believe it's gonna write all the code. We can just search somewhere else. Yeah, that's my mistake. So it's saying that as you can see that this one should be like this one, only then it's gonna work. I think I need to make a website like XML validator or something for blogspot templates. It will really great. In that way, many people will save a lot of time. As I'm having a lot of problem with that. I just hope there won't be any problem like that. Wait a minute. If here we also have here, and let's see if this fix or not the issue. We have to wait. Okay, let's just see what it's saying here. So I have written modern, okay, in a blogger template. The ampersand symbol inside script must be like this, otherwise the system thinks you are trying to write special code entity and fails when it sees max result. I have corrected this in both breaking news and related blog post. So I did fix that issue, and we are hoping that it did all the things. So we are waiting. So this is the simple design that we got, and it's pretty good for simple website. Let's see that is SEO how it's good or not. I told that flow all best guidelines from 2025. We can check it in Lighthouse, the offer india.blogspot.com. I made it a long time ago. If I was continued from that time, then it was really great website. But I was not. So as you can see, the SEO is 100%. At least in SEO it worked well. Performance accessibility, it have a lot of problem. We can fix it by just telling that follow best practices and accessibility and performance. So we can do that. Now let's see. Our template is complete. Now we're gonna check it how it's gonna look like. I hope in this time the other problem should have solved. If not, then again we have to do something. And now we have a 698. What the problem we had last time? I just hope not the same problem. Okay, yeah, we need a B if condition. Okay, so we're gonna save that part, and we have 855. We have a div tag. So what the problem here? Okay, start with a tag, and with the div tag, everything's okay. Then what is the problem? Line 85 number 39. Okay, the element type img 855. Okay, img must be determined by the matching tag img, but I'm not saying here. No problem, we're gonna add that. Okay, so here we have it. Now save it. Now we have saved that. Let's see how the site looks like. I just hope there's a no problem like a blog post issue. Okay, reload it. Okay, so as you can see that we have breaking news up there. Let's see, it's working or not. Working quite well. So it looks good. Breaking news. Okay, and then we have progress bar. We have this one. It's also good. Okay, share button. It's all. Let's meet in next video. Bye.